Good morning, Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Miss Samreen Harun. Children, today we are going to learn the question number 5 and 6 of chapter Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This is the second chapter of our second term. So please check out your copy. Yes, my dear children, this is a question number 5 that you have to learn. What was the name of our Prophet's mother? What was the name of our Prophet's mother? हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की जो वालदा थी, मदर थी, उनका नाम क्या है? The answer is बीबी आमना. The question number 6 that you have learned is, when was Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam born? When was Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam born? हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम कब पैदा हुए? The answer is on 12th Rabiul Awwal in Makkah. On 12th Rabiul Awwal in Makkah. हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम मक्का में 12 रबीउल अव्वल के दिन पैदा हुए. 12 रबीउल अव्वल महीना है और उसकी डेट थी 12th. Right? So my dear children, today you have to learn question number 5 and 6. So आज के बाद हमारा ये चैप्टर 2 कंप्लीट हो जाएगा और जो है जब हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो पे होंगे तो इंशाल्लाह हम चैप्टर नंबर 3 को लर्न करेंगे. सो माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, प्लीज लर्न all question answer of this chapter Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Okay, we will meet in next video. Allah Hafiz and take care. Bye bye.